You're not lazy, you're just inflamed. High CRP, triglycerides, or fasting insulin, that's not laziness, that's higher inflammation. Let me show you the 5 real health markers you can fix without guessing. Okay, number 1, CRP, C-reactive protein, is your marker of inflammation. If it's high, it's a red alert. Take it seriously. Optimal number under 1 milligram per liter. Fix it with omega 3s. More, reduce the seed oils, which means all the seed oils from your pantry, canola oil, palm oil, any kind of omega seed oil should go out of the kitchen. And here comes the coconut oil, desi ghee, and all this butters, white butters to come in. Sleep better and up your fiber intake by 25 grams per day. Next is number 2, triglyceride. That's a store fat in your blood. That's very important. Optimal range is under 100 milligram per deciliter. Fix it with the low sugar, walk after the meals, and low carb morning diets, which means switch your sugary breakfast from sugary to savory to fix it and start doing some kind of physical activity. Number 3, triglycerides to HDL ratio, very important metabolic marker. The optimal range is under 2:1, and cut refined carbs from your diet, which means all the maida, white flour, white rice, to go out and switch to the better options and boost your healthy fats intakes, avocados, desi ghee. Never ever mix sugar with any kind of fat, and stay away from all the fried foods. All the samosas, kachori, biscuit, namkeen should go out, and roasted makhanas, roasted almonds, roasted nuts come in, and start doing some physical activity. A walk after the meal is the Raman. Next is fasting insulin, very important number. Fasting glucose may be misleading, it's temporary, but fasting insulin and HbA1c, both numbers are very good. Ask your doctor and request them to get your fasting insulin number. The normal range is very high, but the optimal range is 2 to 6 micro international unit per milliliter. That is fasting insulin. Wear a CGM like this and bring your average glucose under 85 milligram per deciliter. That's optimal, but under 95 is also normal. Next is how to fix it. 3, time restrictive eating, magnesium glycinate, walk after the meal, strength training, morning sunlight. Fix it and stay away from high refined carb food and balance your meal. Learn the portion control and design your plate in such a way there has to be a big portion of vegetables, and along with it 30 grams of at least protein. Vegans can use tofu, tempeh, and vegetarian can use paneer, or non-vegetarian can use chicken, eggs, fish as per your need. A big portion has to be healthy fats, nuts and seed, avocados. A small portion has to be the fermented vegetables, fermented foods, and last not the least, very limited portion of chapati, that also towards the millet based and non-gluten, or which means or rice or chapati. Don't never have both, because that will be too much load of refined carbs in your plate. So use and design this plate. And last not the least, very easy, waist to hip ratio, that shows how much visceral fat do you have. Visceral fat is the fat around your organs. Very deadly, very easy to come, and very difficult to go. Men under 9.9 and women under 0.85. Fix these numbers. You can calculate it via online calculators very easily, and fix it via 30 minutes of walk daily. Do some kind of strength training, comment protocols, or follow these basic protocols to fix all these numbers very easily. These all numbers are reversible. Don't worry, speak to a healthcare professional about it. You have nothing to lose, you have everything to gain. And stay happy, stay healthy, and try to fix it with this forest principle. Enjoy guys, love you, take care.